Hey guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. Today I'll be making a Hennessy strawberry margarita. So let's get started. We're going to start by making the syrup. This is a whole pint container of strawberries. I took the greens off and cut up my strawberries. You can cut them in whatever shape, it doesn't matter. To this, you're going to add a cup of sugar. And then you're also going to add a cup of water. Put this. I didn't think this through before I started, y'all, but here we go. That's half a cup. Now you're gonna add the other cup. You're gonna put this on the stove, bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, turn it down and let it simmer 15 minutes. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like. Once you get your syrup through your strainer, please do not push. Like, don't push at it. Don't push the strawberries through your strainer. All you're going to do is strain it out just like this, because then you're going to have clouds and tiny bits of pulp in your syrup, and that's not what you want. So don't even push at it. Just shake it, empty it, and strain the rest of your syrup. Alright guys, I'm going to let this cool for a bit, and then we're going to go ahead and make the margarita. I'm not making a frozen one this time, but I do have frozen margaritas already on my channel. This one is going to be like a frozen drink. I mean a margarita drink. There we go. Unfrozen margarita. There we go. So that's the one kind that I'll be doing tonight. So just let this chill out, and then we're going to mix it all together. Alright guys, so we're going to put this drink together. Alright, so I have my shot glass right here. You're going to take your Hennessy. This is a double shot glass, so if you have a single shot glass, use 2 of them. But this is a double shot that I just put in there. Then you're going to take the same thing. I'm probably going to use 2 of these, though, for the champagne. 2 double shots of the champagne. You really don't have to measure this, but this is a cooking channel. So I'm trying to give at least a base that you guys can use. So just bear with me for the others, you know, everyone else, just bear with me. Then you're going to take your syrup. Probably should do a double shot of syrup too. And remember, you can always taste as you go. I might add more syrup later on. You never know. I might add more Hennessy. But this is just a formula that you guys can use. Now I have my glass in the freezer, nice and cold. I'm going to put some ice and some chopped up strawberries in there. And then we're going to pour this drink right over that. Alright guys, so this is my cold glass. It already started defrosting, but all that's around the rim is sugar. Lemon juice and sugar. Put the lemon juice around the rim, dip it in sugar, that's all that is. Totally optional. And you're going to take your drink. Be careful, you know there's champagne in there. You don't want it to float over on you. First of all, this drink without the ice, like I can't. It's so good. So good. I like how it has that bright, it still has that bright red color despite having Hennessy in there and champagne. You would think it would break the color down, but it didn't. Wow, I even shocked myself. This looks so good, and it tastes really good. Really, really good. So, I hope you guys give this a try. I'm heading to my live now to show my friends my drink, courtesy of one of my subscribers that recommended it. So, yeah, join me on my live, guys. It's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays, 9 p.m. here on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can get, you know, notified. And yep, I'll catch you guys on my next one. Bye, guys.